So I'm here with Megan. I was dying to actually come and visit Megan because Megan is an advocate of juicing, right?
Yes.
And she's been trying to change her healthy eating habits. And I came to her office to show her what a good meal replacement with avocado smoothie looks like. So here we go, Megan. We got a smoothie that I'm gonna make. And I'm gonna make it with blueberries, avocado, coconut milk. We got cherry, berry, and kale, spinach, cocoa powder, coconut. And here you have a very well-balanced meal because you're getting the right complex carbs, you're getting healthy fats, we got protein in there and some fruits. So you got antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. This is gonna keep you full for 3 hours and it's excellent for your gut health, which to me, I'm always targeting the gut.
Yeah.
And I think you want something like this.
Yes, I do. I'm excited.
Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, let's get going. So Megan, first thing we're gonna add is about a cup of milk.
I gotta eyeball it.
Yeah,
I always pour heavy.
so keep going. Perfect.
All right.
Should be good.
Okay.
And guys, this is organic coconut milk, dairy-free. Then we're gonna get like just a handful portion of spinach and add it to the blender.
Oh, was that?
A little bit less.
I gotta weigh it.
There you go, perfect. Awesome. And then we're going to add some blueberries. Again, handful. I always measure everything. Hand portion.
I know my hands are gonna be all blue. It's gonna be great.
Oh, perfect. Yay. And then now this one, we're gonna add probably about, a handful, even 2. And this is great because it's got kale, it's got berries, antioxidants, vitamins, nutrients. Oh my God, amazing for you. Then let's stick that avocado in there. Look at her hands, look at her hands.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
This looks like an awesome salad. Just a little
I know,
cream.
right? And then, let's get some coconut chunks in there. Megan's like, I need to clean my
Yeah, I
hands.
was like,
See, teamwork.
I guess I could just do just a handful.
Yeah, perfect.
I love coconut.
Oh my God. All right, now we're gonna stick collagen and chia seeds. Got that? Boom.
Yes, I worked out this morning. Just the whole thing?
The whole thing, it's all measured. So that's a tablespoon of collagen and a tablespoon of chia seeds. And then we're gonna add protein. We got a scoop of protein in here, about 30 grams right there. And then we're gonna drizzle on some honey. Bzzz.
Just drizzle?
Perfect. Yeah, geez, a little. Yep, perfect. She added extra honey.
I did.
And then now, let's see this sucker. So after a little bit of mixture, Megan, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder to add that chai. And now you can put the top.
I'll put the top on.
And then boom. All right, we just made the smoothie and we're gonna go hook up Dan the Man.
Dan the Man Thrasher.
All right, here we go. Let's do some cheers. Try this out.
Delicious.
Isn't it good?
Cow.
Yeah.
I'm excited about
Wow.
You guys are not gonna be hungry and it's not filled, but you'll be full for the next 2 hours.
Thank you.
Isn't it good?
Wow.
This is healthy. This is health. This feels good.
This is
like
good.
when you drink this, it feels good. And it'll kill all your cravings of anything bad, guaranteed.
Yeah.
And you got protein, fats, and the right amount of carbs.
And collagen.
And collagen, and chia seeds, fiber. I mean, this is...
So you do like chia seeds and water?
No, I actually do overnight chias. I add them to my overnight oats, or I do a lot of yogurt pudding recipes with chia seeds.
What's the difference between Greek yogurt and regular yogurt?
Greek yogurt has less sugar, less additives. It's got more protein.
Okay.
So a lot more people do a lot more with it because of the protein.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, I add Greek yogurt to everything.
I accidentally bought some regular yogurt. There's just so many yogurts and they don't like, I've been doing the like accidentally get the vanilla cinnamon on accident.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Just
all
add
right.
cinnamon to it.
Yeah, but
Get
like,
cinnamon-
what am
add
I
cinnamon
supposed to?
everything.
Okay.
It regulates your blood.
Oh,
Sugars.
so
Yes,
all right.
add cinnamon to everything. Every time I juice, I add a dash of cinnamon. This has berries, blueberries, kale, spinach, avocado, cocoa powder, honey. I mean, you name it.
You would
got
never
it.
know.
You would never know. If I would tell you this before, you would probably be like, hell, I'm not having that. Hell no.
Well, I saw the bag and it was like frozen kale with cherry, and I was like, that's different, but I'll try it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Wow.
good.
Very good.
Yeah. All right, Megan. Do you approve of my avocado?
I approve.
She approves.
So good.
All right, and I think Dan did too. So anyway, if you guys like, subscribe to my channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe now.
live like Yogi.
Literally. Just press that button.